Welcome to Juvo Jobs, an app where jobs find you. Juvo Jobs was created with the hourly workforce in mind, dedicated to connecting job seekers with employers at the touch of a button. Get started with Juvo Jobs by simply downloading the app in the Apple App or Google Play Store. Once downloaded, open the app and enable location services to see the best jobs right around you. Start creating your profile by adding relevant experience, education, or certificates that you have achieved. Add a profile picture and create a video introduction that lets employers see the real you. Need some help? Answer our guided questions to make your video introduction more polished and professional. Check out nearby opportunities in your area and apply to them in just one click in either the map view or the list view. Come back to the app daily to see if employers have reached back out via our Chats tab. While you wait to hear back from employers, review our app on the App Store or scroll through our social media to hear about upcoming events, job tips, or future app updates. We are excited to see where you go with Juvo.